Hello, so here's my studio. Just kidding, it's not, but what I do have is a new computer, and I'll be vlogging this process of setting up my desk and get this computer set up. So let's get started. Here is a motherboard and the graphics and CPUs and stuff like that. There's a bit of reflection, but yeah. I bought this computer from a friend, so everything is like pre-installed. I'll just have to set up my desk, which is still a hard process because considering what I have over there on my desk, I have to transfer them to that machine. So let's have a look. So we have the keyboard, USB dock, my mouse, and another monitor. I have 3 in total. Here's my second one. Okay, so I finished setting up my desk for my internship for what I'll be doing for this coming summer, and I have to say I love this setup so much. And right now I'll fire up this computer and see how it goes. So today is day 2 of getting my new computer, and right now I'm installing the new Windows system into my computer. And this is a very familiar scene because I've been doing this as a job in my previous university. So right now I'm doing a fresh start for this computer, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So here is the setup screen, and I'm pretty sure I'll click next and install Windows, and there we go, it's running Windows. Fresh as new. Just installed Windows, and so yeah, I'll be installing everything: Adobe Suite, Google Chrome for sure. I must need Google Chrome, WhatsApp, like all these chat apps, and like Microsoft Office, things like that. Super excited. Oh, it's in the afternoon right now. It's 3:20, and I just finished setting up this computer. I spent the entire morning reinstalling Windows. I installed Adobe Suite, Microsoft Suite, and 2 of my favorite browsers, Google Chrome and Vivaldi. Yeah, there we go. Thank you so much for watching as always. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.